Sorry in advance for any noise in the background. My daughter is just playing on the floor. I'm going to just hop into this really quick. I want to do a quick demo for you. This isn't really meant to be a review, but I am going to be demoing the Curlsmith Strength line. They came out with 3 new products recently, a shampoo, a conditioner, and a gel. I have the entire line other than the shampoo. I really just couldn't fit into my budget. So instead I will be using the Curlsmith the shampoo from the Detox line. I've done a previous review on this one, so if you'd like to see that, check it out. I will leave a link up above. But that being said, let's just go ahead and jump right into this. Again, I have all of the products from the line other than the shampoo. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello to all my wonderful wavies and my curly and coily coterie. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Lena and welcome to my bathroom. First up is Curlsmith's Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I start by sectioning my hair away just so that I can distribute my product evenly, and then I'll just clip the top up and away. Now I'm going in with a detangling brush, and you want to make sure to work this gently through your hair so as not to cause any knots or breakage since we're doing this dry. When you're done with that section, go in with a spray bottle of some sort and wet it down. You don't need it to be dripping wet, just mildly damp. Don't forget to spray everywhere. I tend to miss the back, so here you can see I'm trying to focus on it just to really make sure I get everywhere wet. Now it's time for the Bond salve. I'm going to pour some of this into my hand, and I do tend to start off small and work my way up with this. And you'll just work this through your damp hair, making sure to hit every single area, the back, the ends, all of it. Here, I'm really just focusing on the ends of my hair and the back of my head, making sure they're completely coated because these tend to be my problem areas and they need the most help. You got a dragon? That looks like a very nice dragon. I see it. Oh, dragon. Dragon. Again, I'm just checking to make sure everything's covered and deciding I need a little more here on the back of my head before moving on to the next section. The rest of this I'm kind of just going to skip over and move to the next step since it's pretty much just rinse and repeat at this point. Last thing of note here, you do really want to focus on your face framing pieces and just the top section in general because it does get the most environmental and sun damage. And then we'll just clip this up and away and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes now, so I'm going to take it down and I'm going to go ahead and wash it out. After wetting my hair down, I am going to go in with the Curlsmith Wash Scrub Detox Pro-biotic. Here I'm focusing on just really making sure to use the scrub to get as deep of a cleanse as possible, removing any buildup. I'm even going to go in with my scalp scrubbing brush just to get the maximum benefit out of this before moving on to the next step. I'm making sure to rinse really well just to ensure that I get all of that scrub out of my hair. I don't want any of those particles left behind. Now I'm going in with the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner, the first of our new products. Now, there's a few ways you can use this. You can use it as a conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a leave-in conditioner. How should I use it? I have an idea. This is my first time using this product, so I want to show it to you a little bit here. It does have the same scent as all of the other products in the line, and as you can see, it's a pretty creamy consistency, closer to a typical conditioner than a deep conditioner. If you haven't seen my review of the other products in this line, check out the link above. I'm splitting my hair in half and I'm just going to work this through my hair like a normal conditioner. We already detangled, so it shouldn't be too hard to work through our hair, but there may be a little bit of work that needs to be done. So gently detangle your hair and just use this like a normal conditioner. I'm going to squish to condition, and then I've actually decided to use this as a deep conditioner, so I'm going to leave it in my hair for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, I'm going to rinse this out of my hair, but I'm actually not going to rinse it out as thoroughly as I would another deep conditioner. Since this can be used as a normal conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a leave-in, I'm not going to rinse it all out and I'm going to use it as a leave-in. Now to finish styling. I did actually end up going back in with a little bit more conditioner because I washed a little bit too much out of my hair. So I just start off by putting a little more in my hair before moving on to my next product. Next, we're going in with Curlsmith's Feather Light Protein Cream, and you can see down on the bottom it's a level 4 hold. I start off by putting about this much on one side of my hair. I'll work this product through both sides of my hair, just raking it through to try to get as much even distribution as possible. Then when I'm done there, I'll move on and start working it through with my Denman brush. If you haven't seen my styling video, I'll leave a link up above so you can refer to that. But I am just going to blaze through the rest of this portion of it until we get to the next product. Next is Curlsmith's Shape Up Aqua Gel, another new product, and you can see it's a level 5 hold. It has the same scent as the rest of the line, and as you can see, it's pretty runny. Here it drips down my hand. Now this is a lightweight gel. It's not meant to be super heavy duty, but because of that it would be very good for looser textures like waves or loose curls. And I'll just glaze this over my hair here until I'm happy with the amount that I have, and I'll scrunch it in. Now I'll be doing the gel-mousse-gel technique by using the Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. This only has a level 2 hold. I'm going in with just a little bit. I'm going to glaze this over the top layer of my hair, and then I'm going to scrunch it in. After I feel like I have enough product, I'll start tossing my head back and forth to help with distribution and curl clumping, and then I'll go in and micro-plop. I've been plopping my hair now for 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take it down and go back in with my mousse. I'm just doing the same process here, glazing it over my hair and then scrunching it in, just again for extra definition and hopefully a little more volume. And for my final step in styling, I will be going back in with the gel, again just glazing it over my hair and scrunching it in, flipping my head back and forth until I feel like I have a good amount of coverage. I go in one last time to micro-plop before putting a little bit of foam at my roots for extra volume, and then finally, time to blow dry it. Now I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Finishing Oil Serum to finish up this process. I'm going to use just a little bit of this to help scrunch out the crunch before we see our final results. Alright, so these are my final results. I have gone through the entire process. This is my routine using the Strength line. Of course, if I did have the budget for the shampoo, I would have used the shampoo from this line instead. But you can just use the shampoo from this line the same exact way. These results don't particularly surprise me. I've never had issues getting decent results or great results really out of the Curlsmith products. As you can see, my hair is shiny. It looks very healthy. I have some very good definition going on here. It just overall looks very healthy. And especially with this line specifically, that doesn't surprise me in the slightest. This specific line is meant for damaged hair or hair that is in the transitioning process. So if that describes you, this could be something that you want to look into. The reason that I said this is a demo and not necessarily a review is because I don't think it's really debated that these products are good products. I think every other influencer out there is talking about how good they are, and they are good products. I think the debate is just whether or not they're worth the price. They are about 30 bucks a pop, each individual, so that can add up very quickly. I don't find typically that I use any more or less of these than other products, including cheaper products. So it's not like I'm even saving money by not spending as much on these products, but they are very good products. They smell very good. They all have a very light fruity scent that the best way I can think of to describe it is I think it's a mixture of the guava in these and then the black currant. So it has kind of a berry scent to it as kind of the main scent, in addition to a little bit of a guava scent. So it's a very good scent. I love the way these smell. And unlike a lot of other products that are just kind of perfumed as opposed to natural ingredients, the smell does linger in your hair. So I can still smell it. It didn't go away after blow drying like a lot of other products I use. Overall, this is a very good line. If you have it in your budget, I do suggest that you check it out, especially if you are transitioning or if your hair is damaged. I really like the conditioner. I love that they made a 3-in-1 where you can use it as just a conditioner, a leave-in, or a deep conditioner. I think that's fantastic. because it just gives you kind of some versatility. It's always nice to have products that you can use in several different ways, because that makes it so that you don't have to buy as many products if you don't want to. That being said, you do not need to buy the entire line. The previous video that I did on these products kind of shows that. I still got really good results that lasted me several days, like I'm sure this will, without having even the gel. So you can buy either the mousse or the gel. You could just buy the conditioner and not bother with the cream. It's up to you and what your specific hair needs at the time. I will make note of the fact that they are making a smaller size of the Bond Curl Salve now. So you do not have to invest in a very large bottle like this. It's a much smaller bottle. They call it their travel size. But if you would like to just give it a try, as opposed to spending money on this entire bottle, you could do that. I do know that I've used this 3 times now, and it's still at least halfway full. So this big bottle, even though it's like $28, gives you several uses out of it, which is fantastic. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, what you think of my results. Stay tuned for the end of this video. I will be doing a close-up shot of my hair from both the front and the back, so you can get a better idea of what this looks like in my hair. I do that at the end of every video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you team leave in or leave out on this conditioner? I'm curious how people are using this. Also, which products in this line do you use or would you use? Obviously, you don't have to use all of these products. Typically, I'm more of a gel person than a mousse person, for example. So let me know out of this line which products you like or would like to try. I do strongly suggest the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, especially if you are transitioning or you have damaged hair. It does wonders for your hair, and really, I just overall can't get over how much this line is it's a great line. It leaves your hair looking good, feeling good, smelling good. Like and subscribe if you like videos like this. I do product reviews. I do styling videos. If it has anything to do with curly hair or just healthy hair in general, I do it. If you have any thoughts about other videos you would like to see from me, again, let me know down in the comments below. I would love to see them, see what kind of videos you would like. I do come out with a new video every Tuesday, so keep an eye out next week for another one, and I will see you next time.